Welcome to Sharm El Sheikh, a sun-kissed paradise on the shores of the Red Sea, where the azure waters meet golden sands, and where natural beauty meets endless adventure. This stunning destination is perfect for thrill seekers and relaxation enthusiasts alike. From the vibrant coral reefs of Ras Mohammed National Park, teeming with marine life and colorful fish, to the golden sands of Nama Bay, where you can unwind and soak up the sun, Sharm El Sheikh offers something for everyone. Dive into crystal-clear waters, where the sun's rays penetrate deep, illuminating the vibrant underwater world. Explore a stunning underwater world bursting with marine life, from colorful coral reefs to schools of shimmering fish. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-time snorkeler, the ocean offers an adventure like no other. You'll be captivated by the bright corals, each one more vibrant than the last. Back on land, take a thrilling desert safari, where the adrenaline rush of off-road vehicles will leave you breathless. Immerse yourself in the rugged beauty of the Sinai Desert. Admire the majestic mountains at sunset, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink. Experience a taste of authentic Bedouin culture, where ancient traditions meet the serene desert landscape. So come and discover the magic of Sharm El Sheikh, a tropical haven where nature's finest panoramas and vibrant adventure await. Your next unforgettable journey starts right here. Experience the serene beauty and vibrant life that make this destination truly unique. Sharm El Sheikh, dive into wonder, embrace the beauty. From the stunning beaches to the vibrant coral reefs and the serene desert landscapes to the lively local markets, Sharm El Sheikh offers an unforgettable experience. Come and discover the magic for yourself.